Welcome back, y'all. Got a package, and this is not perforated. So where is my knife? I am unprepared. Oh, okay. Let's try and shake this down so we don't tear our stuff. Should probably use scissors. I don't know where the scissors are. Scissors. Okay. I hope this looks how I want it to look because, ooh, this is bright. Ew. It look nice. It look nice. It look nice. It look nice. Where's the? Oh. Ooh. Ooh. Oh. Oh yes. I had to get this one for me. Pourquoi? Duh. This look clean, your flip. Mighty. Look at that. Yeah, that nice bad. Oh, this nice. This nice bad. Yeah. Okay. I'm about to get this in like every color. Oh, this looks so good. It's so vibrant and like, yeah. Ugh. Don't talk to me. I'm about to just put this up. Like, I don't even care. Like, when I say I want it, it's mine. I live. Yes. I don't have nothing else to say, but yes, like, yeah, this look good. Look good. Yeah, I'm satisfied. I don't need nothing else. We're just gonna prop this here so y'all can look at it while I finish the little thing. All right, so I'm trying to think. Am I about to put this on the website? I should put it on the website, right? I should put it on the website. I'm put it on the website. Okay, so we're gonna have this in black. I think gray, navy blue, this green, and I don't want to say red. I'm not sure if red is included, but we're doing some test shots with this. We're gonna do some test runs with this and see, you know. But yes, thank you so much for watching this unboxing. Make sure you subscribe to this your YouTube channel, and if you're fucking with the logo, you'll probably fuck with the podcast Pointless Talks. You can get one with your own flag just like this. So if you want, you know, Barbados or St. Lucia, Trinidad, VI, whichever flag it is you want illuminated here for the tongue, because I heard something, I heard talk, let me know. I actually have them on the website for the hoodies. We have zip up hoodies, we have crew necks, and we have pullovers that all have the individual logo. So I believe it's like the country logo on the front and the Pointless Talks logo in the back, like big in the back, and this is in the front small. I can't remember because I did it forever ago. But yes, they are on the website, pointlesstalks.com/shop. These t-shirts are not on the website as yet. This I'm just trying out for the first time. This is first release. So yeah, and I love how this looks. It's all pretty. But yeah, just like everything else, whether you got here on purpose or by fate, thank you so much for watching this pointless unboxing. Bye.